Now you are going to read about the gas planets. When you are finished reading, you are going to tell me the 3 details that you learned about the gas planets and the main idea. Remember, the main idea is what the whole story is about. All of the details that you learned will be down here, and they support the main idea. So if we're talking about the gas planets, I should not see anything about the rocky planets in here because the details will support the main idea. The story is about, think about what the story is about, and write it as your main idea. I'm going to read, and I want you to think, and then you can fill out the worksheet to tell me what the main ideas and details are of the story. The gas planets. The outer 4 planets of the solar system are known as the gas planets because they are made up of gases. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside of it. Even though it is so big, it can spin very fast. It completes one rotation in just 10 hours on Earth. Saturn is most known for having rings of rocks, ice, and dust circling it. While other planets have rings, Saturn has the most rings. Some pieces of the rock and ice that spin around the planet are the size of a house, while others are the size of a small piece of sand. Here's a picture of Saturn, and here are its rings. Next one is Uranus, which is right here. Uranus also has rings and is also almost 2 billion miles away from the sun. It contains a lot of methane gas and rotates backwards like Venus. So it's going around the Earth or around the sun backwards. Every other planet is going one way. Venus and Uranus are going the opposite way around the sun. Here's the last one, Neptune. Neptune has the stormiest weather in all of the solar system. Some storms can be as large as the Earth with freezing winds 10 times faster than a hurricane. I think that's a pretty cool fact. All right, now I want you to think of 3 things you learned. Tell me one thing about Jupiter and one thing about Saturn, one thing about Uranus or Neptune here at the end. So you can pick any 3 of the planets to talk about in your details. Remember, your main idea always starts with this story is about. What is it about? All you have to do is fill in the blank.